the secular people of Goa have been sold to the communal BJP by the Congress leadership. The secular people of Goa have been sold to the communal BJP by the Congress leadership. In fact, 2 days ago, my colleague, another spokesperson and General Secretary, has come on record that his seat, which he was the rightful claimant, which has been published by some papers, that is the mayor's seat, that he was pushed aside and an RSS man imported and given the ticket. I would like to bring to your knowledge, in 2012, in Mandre constituency, the then ex-MLA of the BJP was brought in and given a ticket. He was brought in only so that the setting with the present Chief Minister, the then candidate, could be done in a better way, allowing Mandrekar to win, Parsekar to win, and the candidate went back to the BJP. Going back, he criticized the Congress leadership and the ethics of Congress leaders and others. Seriously. This same person 6 months ago is brought to the Congress and he's allowed it. Is this not setting? Then what is it? When the candidate is weak, the expression given is either royalist. When you import a candidate, the expression given is winnable. Or to please the BJP boss. And there is only one boss who is manipulating all the Congress and managed to manipulate all the Congress leadership. The distribution of the tickets will tell you so. The secular people of Goa had a hope. But when the leaders become Judases, the secular people of Goa have been sold by these Judases. And they have no remorse. Even Judas felt sad. And he returned back money back, threw it back. What a mess I did. These people are not.